It's in a room like this at Montreal's Welcome Home mission that women experiencing homelessness will be able to stay while receiving social and psychological services. The idea is that for 8 to 12 weeks, women with severe mental health issues will be able to get the support they need to eventually find permanent housing. 8 rooms and common areas will be available through Quebec's PRISM program, meant to help people who are disconnected from healthcare services. Once their psychiatric needs are stabilized, the team connects participants to other resources in the community. The goal is to help them reintegrate into society.
These steps are really individualized to each person. Sometimes it can mean work on legal issue, immigration issue, medical issues.
The program has been available to men since 2017. La Liberté says it's effective, with 63 to 81% of participants reporting they were still housed a year later. He says women living on the street can face additional issues like finding childcare or domestic violence. In 2024, the province also announced that Le Chaînon, a women's shelter, would also welcome participants under PRISM in the Plateau.
The fact that homelessness has increased in Montreal, we all acknowledge that, is concerning. But the other element of concern is that there are so many women who are finding themselves on the outside.
J'ai envie de vous dire que l'itinérance, elle aussi, a mérite d'avoir son Top Gun.
Just last week, Montreal Mayor Valérie Plante called on Quebec to appoint a homelessness minister dedicated to managing what she called a humanitarian crisis. During his visit to the Welcome Home mission, Quebec's social services minister defended his record.
The advantage that I see of being Minister of Social Services is that I can do these links for programs like PRISM between mental health resources, social services, the organismes communautaires. So because everything is under my governance.
Carman says the province will cover the cost of operations for the 8 new rooms and the related services. That's about $900,000 a year. It also covered half the cost of renovations.
Bonjour tout le monde.
Meanwhile, some who've been through the program, like Jeff Shore, hope that, like them, the new participants will find community.
You meet those guys that you're with at the time, and they can become friends for life. I was lucky enough to have a friend that I met in the program who moved out to a place that had an extra space, and I went right after it because I was inspired by him.
Quebec says it plans to continue expanding the PRISM program through the rest of the province this fall.